Okay. Are you able to, hope you are able to see my screen? Please confirm, guys.
Yes.
Root.
Okay. Root is the username and root is the password. Okay.
Okay.
And you are able to unlock it. Then in the top of application, there will be a terminal. Okay. You need to access it. And for installing it in the Linux server, first you need to create the sh file,
Okay.
because sh file is the execution file of Linux servers. Okay.
Right.
So I will create vi avdemo.sh. Okay. So once I open, the content will open. Now what I will do, I will open the this is the Linux trend AV installation script. You need to copy. I'm unable to paste it. Copy, minimize, come to application, terminal. Okay, now we have copied. Then escape, shift colon WQ, then your content will be saved. Okay, after copied, you need to press escape, then shift colon, then you have saved. Okay, then next we are going to execute it. Okay, now it will download the 10 micro deep security agent and it will perform the activation as it done it for Windows Server. Okay, team.
Okay. Thank you.
Great. Hope others also following, right? For Linux server, you need to create the SH installation file.
Yeah, we got it.
Great. So currently the package is getting downloaded. You are able to see my screen. See, install the agent package successfully. And the next part, it will go ahead for activation. Okay.
कहाँ गया अभी मैं?
You should aware how to activate it. So that is the reason I skipped that. Okay. So you know, right, how to activate manually. Even you install the AV agent via script, you should aware about how to activate and deactivate.
Skip. Got it.
Support script.
Let's check.
वही हुआ है.
Let's see list.
Okay, यहाँ पे.
Let's check. It's the same for you.
फिर दोबारा remove कर दो.
RM minus R.
Yes, sir.
RM
Okay, sorry.
minus
Copy करके दोबारा. हो सकता है copy नहीं हो.
हो सकता है.
इसी में ना Linux वाले को देना दिया.
हाँ, Linux वाले.
Just हो गया. Escape मारो.
Calling
Calling.
W not.
Arun, we are facing to install the agent on Linux machine.
Okay.
Error is failed to download the agent installation support script.
Okay, I will log in your screen. Okay.
Okay.
Kurshad, right?
Yes.
Access देखना पड़ेगा क्या?
Okay. Are you able to see my screen? Hopefully. Yes. Kurshid?
Yes, this I have
Yep.
created this file.
Yeah, I will open what you have pasted it. Seems you have pasted only half. See,
Okay. I have.
since you have copied,
Okay.
okay, I will initiate. Okay,
Okay.
I will take it. Control A, and please check whether it is copied fully. right click.
Okay, okay. We have to scroll down, no? That's it.
Then go to terminal.
Okay, understand.
What do you give? DS, right?
Yeah,
I think we got the issue. Now got the file.
Better we will give it in a new name. Okay.
Okay.
Demo the file.
Okay.
Yep.
Now you need to give escape,
Mhm.
then shift colon WQ, enter. Then content will be saved. Then enter sudo bash. Well, failed to download. Okay, I think there is a communication problem. Let's see what is the issue. Okay. We will try manually, Purshid. Okay.
Okay. Okay. No issue.
How about others team?
Sir, I cannot create a assets file on Linux. Hello, Shami.
Okay. Team. Give me a minute.